Well, it's finally happened on a year that I just got everything out early. I got a lot of containers and a lot of firefly petunias this year. A lot of decorative containers I would really prefer didn't get hurt. And I just got a weather warning of nickel size hail. Now, these have already been through pea size and smaller hail, which is why some of them kind of look beat up and they're trying to recover. But nickel size hail is going to probably kill them. So it's panic time. I got to create a refuge for them and cover it. I've got about 2-ish hours to get it done. See if we can get it done and save our plants. Join me in the fight. I need to take a break. Ooh, that's a lot. All right, well, I've got all of the containers moved under cover. Covered up the flower bed. Moved all the containers under cover. So all of them are there. And we'll see how it goes. So everything should be protected from the hail. Yeah, but it doesn't look too bad over there. Getting the news from further down south, they are saying that it's been pretty rough, some high winds, some larger hail and downpours, but we get a lot less rain up here where I'm at than they do down south. So we'll see whether or not we get that, but I'll be prepared. And if the hail comes down, I'll take some video and include that all together. But anyway, hope you're enjoying. Hope you're crossing your fingers with me. Ag Teacher Thoughts out.